guys, I am Bianca, and today we are making it summer with Waverly Inspirations, Mod Podge, and Walmart. Today we're going to be making this really cute ring toss game using supplies that I found around my house and from Walmart. The supplies you'll need to create this project at home are a wooden tray. You'll also need plastic bottles that you can find hanging around your house. You'll need about 8 to fill up the tray that we'll be using. You'll also need Waverly Inspirations chalk paint. I'll be using 5 different colors, which are ivory, pool, ballet slipper, white, and lavender. Mod Podge Outdoor, Hello Hobby stencils, rope, and a wooden block. And you'll also need a Waverly Inspirations chalk paintbrush. The first thing we're going to do is base coat our wooden tray with Waverly Inspirations pool chalk paint. Once the base coat on your crate is fully dried, the next step is to distress it, and I'll show you a really cool way to do that using a small wooden block and Waverly Inspirations lavender chalk paint. We're going to lightly dip our block in paint, not too much, just enough to kind of get it covered. Then you'll take your block and you'll lightly drag it across your crate to create distress lines. The next step is to paint your plastic bottles using your Waverly Inspirations chalk paint. For my first bottle, I'm going to start with ballet slipper. Next, we're going to distress our bottle using the same distressing technique from earlier. Next, we're going to add letters to our crate using this box of stencils, some stencil tape, a paintbrush, and our Waverly Inspirations white chalk paint. Next, we're going to seal our wooden tray and our water bottle with Mod Podge Outdoor. The last step for this project is to create our toss rings, and we'll do that by cutting a piece of rope. And then we'll use hot glue to attach our ends together.
For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.